Louisiana Civil Justice Center is Louisiana's only statewide legal assistance program. So we provide services in all 64 Louisiana parishes. We're different from other programs because we're really focused on trying to meet the great need of Louisiana's poverty population, the great numbers of those in need.
We decided to do the Justice Tour because we saw a lot of need in rural areas, and we just felt like it would be a really great way to not only provide services to the people who needed them, but also to raise awareness.
The real idea behind the Justice Tour was empowerment and providing resources so that people could take care of their legal issues. We are not a voice for the voiceless, but we're a medium for them to be heard.
We really need the Justice Tour in Louisiana because Louisiana suffers from a lot of poverty. We're 48th out of 50 states in terms of the percentage of families that live under the poverty line, but there are a lot of other factors that are facing Louisiana. For example, school segregation is a huge problem here. Immigrant integration is a huge problem here. The list goes on, and all of these things stem from poverty, and a lot of them have an impact on access to justice as well.
Because of the Justice Tour, we became aware of the need, and we were able to help them with. For example, we have a case from East Carroll Parish where it's an insurance claim. Some people are in desperate need for an attorney to assist them with these because, you know, facing an insurance company can be very overwhelming, and it's not an easy thing. We were able to successfully file the lawsuit for the specific client and win a judgment for the full amount of the insurance policy.
When we got started, the Justice Tour was a little bit of an experiment. We wanted to go out around our communities, really outside of the metro areas, and learn more about what the communities were seeing, what their legal needs were, and how a legal service organization like ours might be able to help. So from that experiment, we had really great success. We were able to help a high number of people. We were able to solve important legal problems, and we were able to learn more about the ongoing need. So we are excited to continue the Justice Tour next year. We're excited to make it a permanent part of our program. We're excited to bring the resource to Louisiana communities for years to come.
The first tour was a great success, but it was new. It was, we were trying it out for the first time. So this time we're going into it having seen the experience of last year, having seen what legal issues people are facing. We really also want to raise awareness about the problems that people are facing in these areas and hopefully attract support for those people and make programs like the Justice Tour perennial.
When they told me, don't forget about us, that was actually, what really motivated the fact that when I got back to the office and I was able to tell all my, discuss this with my coworkers and other volunteers that we're really going to make sure that this becomes a program that stays.